you ready for the field trip?
Yes!
Rule number 1 for bus behavior. Board the bus in order.
I'm late!
Rule number 2. Arrive early so you don't miss the bus. Rule number 3. Check if everyone is present. Mimi, here. Dee Dee,
Here!
Theo,
Yoo-hoo!
Benny,
Bah.
Felix,
Present.
and Eddie. Eddie? Eddie, we're doing attendance.
Eddie, here!
Everyone is present. Let's go.
It's me again.
Rule number 4. Everyone must be buckled up. Eddie. Rule number 5. Do not eat or litter on the bus.
Sorry.
Eddie, you shouldn't litter on the bus or out of the bus.
Sorry.
It's all right. You didn't know.
Well then, we've arrived at the museum. Rule number 6. Check that you haven't forgotten anything.
Yes!
Huh? Now let's go to the museum. And now we'll see how well you remember the rules. Mimi will check them. Yeah! Rule number 1. Enter the bus in order. Second rule. Come early and check if everything is in place. Dee Dee, Theo, Felix, Benny, and Benny. Next rule. Fasten your seatbelts.
Yeah!
No eating or littering on the bus. And check if you haven't forgotten anything.
Eddie!
Huh?
Backpack!
Everything is ready. Great. We can go home now.
Yay!
1, 2, 3, 4. I'm in the lead.
You're too big, Mimi.
It would be cool if we could become small and go wherever we want. Now we are absolutely very small. Vroom, vroom.
Zoom, zoom. Whoosh, whoosh.
Where are my keys?
Oh, let's run.
Maybe they're in the kitchen.
Here are the keys.
Wow. Now they are too heavy for us little ones.
We need to show Dad that the keys are here.
But he's in the kitchen, and we're too tiny to get there.
Oh!
Huh?
Woohoo!
Huh?
Oops!
Ouch, ouch, ouch!
Huh?
Dad! Dad!
Huh? It seems like Mimi's calling me. I need to clean up the sugar and find her.
Daddy, here are your keys.
Wow! Thank you! I wouldn't have found them at all. How can I repay you?
We want flakes.
To become big.
Flakes are a good choice because they make children strong.
Hooray!
Tag, you're it.
Mimi, I need your help. Let's pick out all the things we don't need anymore, and then we'll have a yard sale.
It'd be great to have a yard sale. Five. Seven. Huh. 7, 8, 9, 10. Thank you. Oh. Do you have money? Oh. Mimi, where are all our things?
Huh? We sold them at the yard sale.
But you're supposed to only sell old things you don't need anymore. Mimi, do you already know what you're going to bring out for the yard sale?
I think I'd rather see what you're selling first.
Mimi, don't be scared of the dentist. He wants to help you.
Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Oh. Hey.
Remember these simple rules. Floss and brush every day. Eat your veggies and go to the dentist for regular checkups.
Come, come, come.
Hi. Hi. Hi.
Hello. Bread.
Get up. Good morning.
Good morning, Mom. Ow.
Today is going to be a very interesting day.
Mimi and her mom are going shopping.
Huh? Whee! Look, Mom. Huh? Mommy? Mommy? Mommy?
Mimi?
No. I should stay where I am. Yeah. I should ask the guard for help. Huh. Oh.
Mimi?
Oh.
Wow. I know.
Hey, kid. What are you doing?
I'm trying to find my mom. If I do this, my mom will be able to find me.
Oh.
But I can't find a security guard anywhere.
Huh?
Ah!
Do you know your mom's phone number?
Your attention, please. If you're missing a child, come to the cash register.
I'm sorry I didn't keep a closer eye on you.
Stay close to your mom and don't get lost next time.
I have a surprise for you.
Huh? Thank you.
We gotta go home. Dee Dee and Theo are coming over later.
Yeah. Yay!
Oh.
Dad, look at the new toy Mom bought me today.
Very nice.
Mimi, can I see your new toy?
Me too.
No, you have your own toys.
Mimi, friends are supposed to share.
Yeah. Yum, 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 yum.
You have your own food.
This is Unicorn said friends should share. Yum, yum, yum. Yeah, my toothbrush broke.
Okay, get dressed. Let's go to the doctor's.
Okay. The children have a rash that comes from using other people's personal products. Have you been sharing towels or anything like that?
We're sorry.
We're sorry. This is super contagious.
It's all because you used my things.
You have to use your own personal hygiene products. And then you won't get sick again.
Woohoo! Now, I'm going to use my own personal things.
We will too. We will too.
Wow.
No. Height check first. No. No.
Whoa.
Mimi.
I wish I was taller.
Maybe you can try something else. Hello, Mrs. Unicorn.
Hello.
Okay. Let me check you again. Mimi!
Uh-oh.
Woohoo! Woohoo! Up here!
Huh? Wow. Go left. Oh, great. Now go straight. Oh, I have to go to the bathroom.
What?
Nothing.
Okay.
Woohoo!
I need a little help.
Yeah?
Great!
Wow! Yay! Woo! Yeah!
Oh, hello, kids. I didn't notice you at all.
Hi, Dad. What are you doing?
I'm cleaning the garage. Huh? I've gathered some junk that we'll have to throw away later. I'll be right back.
Maybe it's a magic carpet? Oh! The one that can fly. Oh!
Abracadabra. Renovate.
Avakazam! Oh, I'm late for the doctor.
Yes.
Phew!
Oh, Grandma.
Oh.
Hold on, Grandma.
Thank you.
No problem.